How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device. Swipe left and you will be led to the story interface of Instagram. Tap on settings icon there and then tap on story. Tap on hide story from and now go ahead and hide your story from everyone in your profile. This might be a little hassle if you have a lot of followers on your Instagram. Once you have hidden stories from everyone on your Instagram, go back and now add the story that you wanted to add and highlight. Once you have successfully added the story, wait for 24 hours for the story to go in archive. Tap on your profile icon, the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Tap on archive option there and then on stories archive. Tap on the story we added and then on the bottom you will see the option for highlight. Tap on that and create the highlight by adding the name to your highlight. With this, we have successfully added highlights on Instagram. You can check for the highlights below your bio in your profile page. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.